going?
I'm waiting for
Chahi is coming. Take your chahi there.
my child. Where's my child?
Chahi?
Hey,
Bubulo na. Chahi ka there. Oh, don't want the small one. No, decline it.
oh, child ka mo niya.
Oh my goodness. Chahi. Hmm?
I said you want to see who are with you. What are you doing? We told you yesterday we come to pick you up. So if you want to go outside, come let's go. If you don't want to stay, they're not going to stay in the house. If you are going to lie down to sleep.
Yes, na.
Oh, let us shift from here.
Oh, the ship. Oh, yarn.
I will check my my nose is looking. Is it here over there?
Where?
Over there.
Over there. We set on that outside na. Yeah. Sit down. Oh, why this making? So order now. You want to order cheese?
They are chicken, okay, they are chicken tikka, chicken lava, chicken tandoori, extreme, chicken extreme, special.
Cheese muna
Are
kami.
you ready? You run fast, no? Hamid. Because it's too much grammar to this lady. Yes, no.
It's not dramatic. Tingin ko na ano? Ano ba yun? Sabihin eh. Ay, kaya ang hirap.
Oh,
Sana tinalayan ko magsalita.
You know what? We can take a shortcut from here.
shortcut. Shortcut is there. No need to do shortcut when you make her walk na.
She says she can, no?
Hmm.
That's fine.
Oh God.
Hmm.
Sino ba yung ano nyo, mga kasama ninyo?
Sino ba? May kasama ba tayo?
May kasama
Tatlo
sa
naman
isa?
tayo? Ang dami mo nang sinasabi. Sino ba? Tatlo lang naman tayo ah.
Diyos, Panginoon ko. Sige lang kung sa palagi na akong nag-ano kay
Okay?
kay
Wait. Hmm. Hmm. Here. We need to go somewhere there in the restaurant. Hmm.
ngayon. Kaya siguro ako ng ano makain ko ngayon.
Yan. Mag-isip ka na kung anong kakainin mo. Ayun. Ano ba yan? Dali.
He said, we can sit here.
Buti na lang ito yung sinuot ko para hindi siya halata-halata. Oh God.
Hmm.
Where's your friend?
Yung ano ko.
Uy.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Kaya matinho, no? Sino ka muna yun?
Mhm. Maigo ka?
Ligazon, ka?
Uy, may rooftop din pala yung sa rooftop eh. No, may rooftop din pala eh. Ah, yung palang sinasabi nila na dun sa kaya tayo sa rooftop. Agoy.
Grabe na.
Uy, yan lang, sapatos natin. Alikabok na kasi oh.
Tingnan mo sapatos ko.
It's okay.
Aswood.
Aha.
Maglaro kami dito. Palaruin namin si Ibon dito sa ano. Hmm.
Niko na shoga na uma.
Palaruin namin siya.
Asa na ba yung paano nyo?
Now, we are almost in F10 Marcas. Oh, see? We are almost in F10 Marcas for walking. So, how many hours he walk now? Hmm? How many hours? Oh my goodness. Tomorrow you cannot walk again. Because you walk today na? Too much.
Tomorrow, no.
No, we need to cross the road.
No, yung...
Ay, right.
Kakas pa dahil sa... Nakakala ko hindi ko pa natapos.
Grabing ikutan. Nasa KFC na dito lang pala ang punta sa may ano, sa may, saan ba yun? Cheesius. Cheesius pala ang hanap nito. Red apple. Red apple. Sa likod nga yun doon, no? Yun, cheesius is...
Layo na nasa pinagkanawa natin.
Oh, ayaw mo pa yun, malayo na daw pinaglakad namin. Inikot pa yung markas. Inikot pa yung markas. Oh, ayaw mo pa nun? Di ba? Ganun lang yun eh. Let's go to the... Oh, push! May sasakyan eh. Ayaw ko magpakamatay ah. Oh. Well, let's go there on that side. Let's go. Wait, quickly here.
Come here!
Come here. Come here. Wala siyang wala kasama. Come here daw. Ang bilis na, ang layo na nang nilakad. Iniko talaga yung markas, oh. Grabe kayo, ah. Kasalanan na naman to ni Mercy. Napagod siya.
Come here, I don't want you to come here because you are not listening to me now. That's why.
Ikot namin talaga tong markas na to. Mula F10, F9 Park.
Tibong ano?
Tawid siya ng F10, Inikot para yung hinanap pa kung saan yung cheesius na yun. Kasi gustong kumain ng cheesius eh. Ay, ano ba yun? Pizza? Gusto ng pizza, ayun. Chinese restaurant? Coco.
Noodles.
Coco milk. Do you want milk tea? I don't want milk tea. Then after you drink cold, you feeling cold because it's cold weather, no?
So if I ask you guys, why are you following this side is not?
Ayan, nahanap din namin yung ano, yung cheesius. Let's go down. Oh, nahanap din namin yung cheesius. Okay. Yun, lakarin yung ano. Dito lang pala siya, oh. Yan. Tapos bibili kami ng toys sa baba. Paglaruan ni Ibon. Pag maglalaro siya ng ano gusto mo ng toys? Gusto mo toys?
Baka naman yung
Agoy.
gusto nyo nagtago na dito.
Ano bang ano mo dyan?
Di ba yung ano lang? Kanina yung balik kanina.
Crush? This phone, ha? It's not my phone.
Mainit.
It's hot, na? Because we walk too much, na? This crown crush, Bon? Crown crush.
Yan lang, okay na yung
Large.
Ito pa.
Sis.
What do you eat, no?
What do you want to eat?
This one.
This one, oh. Crown Crush.